welcome to my channel. My name is Brian and you're watching The Builder Place. In this video I'm going to show you my step-by-step method to install a sunshade over my above ground pool deck. For this shade I selected a rectangular shape 13 by 20 foot in size, and the poles that I selected are 2-inch rigid conduit galvanized pipe. As per the manufacturer's recommendation, I spaced my poles 15 by 22 foot apart. I'm cutting the top extension piece right now. That'll go extend up to make it the full height. Then I'm going to cut 2 pieces that are 2 foot long, and those are the ones that will go in the ground. Concrete in the ground. I'll weld the couplers on the end of the 2 foot pieces. Pipe that goes down to the ground, I'll put a wall anchor 1/2 inch diameter by, I think they're 6 inches long or something. 6 or 8 inches long. So I just drill a hole 1/2 inch about midways in the height of this pipe. Ready to set this pipe down in the ground. I'm going to take a wall anchor, put it in a 1/2 inch hole, and then just thread this down. This will be my anti-rotation. And then that sits a little below so as not to pull it up. And then to get it plumb up and down, I want to take this top extension. This will be using a top extension. I'm going to put that on, set it on, and I'll use that to get the pole in the ground plumb, and that all the way down. And I'll use that to, when I plumb the pipe, to get it straight up and down. So I'll have to mix the concrete, put around that pole, and then this coupling, I'm going to try to get the top of the coupling somewhat flush to the top of the ground is the goal, but for now that's where it's going to be. Bought these 2-inch PVC caps. They're clean out caps. So during the off season you can unscrew your pipes and then just screw in this cap. That gives you a flush surface so no dirt gets in or anything else gets in your threaded section of your coupler, so that in the spring you're ready to put the heights back up and put your shade back up. That's simple. I'm going to put anti-seize on the ends of these threads for the pipe, so make it easier to take it apart when the season's over.